Hey guys, today we're going to do a really cool fizzing exploding rainbow with Oobleck. Oobleck rainbow explosion, I guess. Anyways, don't mind my hands, and I have paint all over them from prior crafts today. So we're going to start off by making Oobleck, which is 2 cups of cornstarch mixed with 1 cup of water. You're gonna mix it. And if you want to, just for like future play, you can even add color to it. And you can make dancing Oobleck. It's also on my site. It's really cool. Keep mixing it. Okay, so this is Oobleck. You make it into a ball. You can form it into a ball, right? And then watch. But then you can squeeze it back together, and it's a solid. But as soon as you let go, look,